Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday the 12th of August and yeah, today I thought that I would start off my vlog. I haven't vlogged in ages, so yeah, this week is kind of interesting because I am planning on going to the All Blacks versus Australia game. So yeah, can you even see me? But yeah, my glasses are like anyways, yeah, so that's the plan. I have uni this afternoon and all day tomorrow and on Thursday as well. And so yeah, that's pretty much the plan so far. Currently I think it's almost lunchtime. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. Hopefully I remember to bring my camera when I'm out and I'm not too scared to film. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the intro. See you later. So basically it's about 12:30 and I just made like this very simple lunch. So I just have this sandwich with spinach and hummus, and then I just made this little like cocktail with coconut water and feijoa juice and then just an apple. And yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch. Hey guys, so I just did my brows and got changed. This is the outfit. Obsessed with these pantaloons. Yeah, pants, docks, and I'm wearing my jacket. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully the weather holds up. As the rain has kind of been like on and off for today. Sorry about the constant camera switches, but yeah, the weather's kind of been on and off, so hopefully it doesn't start pouring down when I leave the house. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna film too much at uni. I will take my camera, so hopefully I get some footage, but yeah, I'm not gonna be taking out my camera like in the middle of a lecture or anything. So yeah, don't get your hopes up, but yeah, we'll try to do a little bit of vlogging. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I finished my class in case you guys didn't realize, and yeah, I'm just here at Lord of the Fries, little photos. Yeah, basically I had a voucher for free fries, so. Hey everyone, so I finally made it home. It's about 7:30 now, and yeah, I basically just had potato fries for dinner, which is not the healthiest. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because tomorrow is gonna be a BB long day. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so today's Tuesday. Currently it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I just made my oatmeal. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna eat that, then go to uni, have class from 9 to 12, and then I have another class from 4 to 7. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Hey guys, so I finally made it to uni. My first class doesn't start until 9, so I still have about 20 minutes till then. But yeah, today's gonna be a really busy day, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be filming, but I feel like I say that every day. But yeah, hopefully it's interesting-ish. Oh yeah, by the way, my class is intro to programming. We do like Python and stuff. It's pretty hard. Hey guys, so it's almost 2 o'clock now and I've finished my first class, and I'm just about to go and do my tutoring. Basically I'm like a peer tutor, so I hold like a study session every week. So yeah, that's the plan. And then I have Spanish from 4 till 7, and then yeah, gotta go home, do another assessment, and then I'm probably gonna crash. Hey guys, so it is currently, what's the time? It's 3:15 and I'm already dead. but I still have one more class to go. So I have Spanish, which starts at 4. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's me it for today. I might just end it here because nothing interesting is going to happen. So good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. It's about 9:30, I think. I've actually already had breakfast, but yeah, the plan today is pretty much just to chill. Today's my day off, so I don't have work or uni or any plans besides staying home. Probably just get some chores done, like I need to do some laundry, plus maybe like study for a bit, and I also want to apply for this program. Very exciting times. And yeah, maybe tidy that up. Today's lunch situation, we got a cheeky little Aperol, never too early for that, and masami, which is just spinach and hummus. Yeah. We update, so basically I've just spent some time studying. If you know what binomial probability is, you know the struggle. And yeah, basically now I'm just gonna binge watch Netflix. That's the plan. Currently I'm watching a show called Bolivar. It's basically like a historical / drama, but yeah, it's in Spanish, so technically, I mean, I'm studying for Spanish. Azzy. I really need to fix my vlog angles. Like, I swear I use the most unflattering angles. So yeah, I'm gonna start using a higher angle from now on. Dinner tonight is pasta al pomodoro con un po' di spinach. The reason why the pasta looks a bit like overcooked is because I actually did like a week of meal prep, so yeah, I just microwaved it and yeet. Done. Wasn't that great, to be honest. Pasta was a bit overcooked, but what can you do? Shout out to the real MVP, Khan Academy. Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and yeah, I just made breakfast. Just some coffee and avo on toast. Is there anything better than a perfectly ripe avo? No, there isn't. Yeah, basically the plan today is I have class from 3 to 5, so it's gonna be pretty chill. Hopefully do some study beforehand, and then yeah, go to my grandma's house for dinner. Hey guys, so it is about 2 o'clock now. I'm just about to leave and drive to my dad's house, and then he's gonna drive me to uni from there. So yeah, I'm going to another campus, which is like close to his house today. And yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Got just a Nike jumper, jacket, chucks, all black everything, except the pants that are grey actually. But yeah, anyway, so that's the plan. Talk to you guys later. How vintage is this car though? Damn. Just finished uni for the day. On my way home. Bye, friends. Quality spread! Hey guys, so today is now Friday. It's almost 12 o'clock. Basically, I don't have uni today. I don't really have any plans, like, to leave the house. But yeah, basically the weather's basically the plan is just to do some study, and then yeah, I also want to meal prep because next week's gonna be quite busy, and plus I always get home from uni pretty late and I don't really want to cook. Also, I'm saving money, so I don't really want to eat out too much as well, so yeah, I try and meal prep like at least once every couple of weeks just to get some food in the frigo. Successful meal prep. Managed to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals, plus a bit more that I'm gonna eat now. And I'm just gonna finish it off with some frozen beans. I saw this hack like on another person's video, but basically So just get some frozen peas and then don't cook them. Just like sprinkle them over the top, because that way when you reheat them, like they'll just be cooked anyway, so you're not gonna get like, you know, like really yellowish peas. So yeah, there you go. Hey guys, what's up? It's now Saturday the 17th, I want to say. Yeah, so it's actually 12:30 and I just realized I haven't vlogged all day, but I haven't really been doing anything. I'm just about to make lunch now. So I'm just going to microwave the pasta that I made yesterday. And yeah, going to microwave that, and then yeah, just go to Eden Park and see the All Blacks. Sure. Hey guys, just a really quick update. So basically I got home yesterday at like around 11 from the All Blacks game, so I didn't really have time to like film and I was a bit too tired. But yeah, it was really like good. It was amazing. If you guys don't know the score, All Blacks won 36-0. And yeah, basically today's Sunday and I wasn't planning on going to work, but I just got called in, so like I'm just now rushing to get ready. And yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. Scrumptious. Hey guys, so currently it is about 8 o'clock. I basically finished work at 7, got home, had a shower, and now I'm just having dinner. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the vlog for this week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I found it kind of interesting. I mean, if you've made it this far. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.